Solar power looks simple. Install panels and let the sun do the rest. Not exactly. Symbior Solar installs state-of-the-art solar power plants, engineered to optimize power generation. But like any system, maintenance is still required. Even a Rolls-Royce needs proper servicing. Having a power purchase agreement with Symbior Solar gives you the peace of mind of never having to deal with any of that. Our handling of the operations and maintenance is part of your agreement. You enjoy the benefits. Our experts routinely conduct inspections and maintenance to ensure zero interruptions to your operations. They will support you consistently at your site to keep the system maximized. And since it is all part of the PPA, you don't pay for a thing. Symbior Solar's O&M team ensures you get optimal service for optimal operations, power output, and savings. Go solar with Symbior for hassle-free, reliable, renewable solar energy for years to come.